Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your most valued plant to have the most mutations and grow a garden. So for instance, I want my Romanesco to get the most mutation. You're going to want to have two plots so that when the mutation happens, it basically doesn't have that many plants to go to, and it's going to go to your biggest plant. As you can see, I still have these strawberries and cranberries and whatnot, but you can just remove the smaller plants so that the mutation can hopefully go into your bigger plants. And the less plants, the better chance it will go to your most valued plants. So that's what I'm trying to explain. So yeah, just move well, if you want, you can regrow it. So you can move your most valued plants into a lot where there aren't many plants, so that there will be a chance so it can go to your most valued plants. Oh my gosh, I said most valued plants a lot of times, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.